Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a knit hat and some matching socks. I decided to start with the hat first. It just looked easier to do than the socks. All you want to do is pleat it up, and I got the hat from Dharma Trading Company, and I will put a link for it in the description box. For both the hat and the socks, I'm going to be securing it by using these tiny baby hair rubber bands, and I've recently added a link to the description box along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, but that way it's easy for you guys to go shopping and you don't have to leave your house and, go outside. You can just stay in and order from Amazon. Same thing with the socks. I'm just going to pleat them up. Now these are the athletic socks from Dharma. They are not what I ordered. I had ordered the knee socks and they look very similar. So I've recently returned these socks and got the knee socks. And when I hold them next to each other, really the only difference is about maybe 2 inches. The knee socks are taller, but they're still very, well, I'll do a tutorial on them and then you can see for yourself. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And for this project, I'm just going to be doing a classic rainbow with all of the traditional rainbow colors. For the pom-pom, I'm going to only use the primary colors because when they mix, they will make the secondary rainbow colors. Now you just want to flip everything over and repeat what you did on the top side on the back side. These things are soaked, so I decided to set them on a piece of dye towel just to absorb some of that excess. These are going to go into the microwave, and make sure that you do not put anything dry inside the microwave or else it will catch on fire. That's why you see me removing the dry towel. From here, they're going to go into the microwave, and do not leave your microwave unattended. If something is going to go wrong, you need to be there and be ready. And then you want to at least let it cool for 15 to 60 minutes, but mine sat for about 5 hours. So the little baby hair rubber bands, they don't like the microwave. It sounded like popcorn going off in there. So I opened it up to check what was going on, and sure enough, it was the rubber band snapping. So don't panic if that happens to you. Okay, so I microwaved them 2 times. So I let them cool down a little bit, and then I hit them again with another 3 minutes just for good measure, and they were fine. You don't want to scorch your clothes, though. I don't think you should just keep microwaving them every 5 minutes. I think that'd be overkill. Okay, so now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. And I should say there's probably a lot of soda ash still reacting because they've only been batching for 5 hours. So make sure you rinse them very well. And then from here, it goes into a hot water machine cycle, and I use Kirillon, and I will do however many cycles it takes until the hot water cycle runs clear. Once that hot water cycle water is clear, I know I'm ready for my final wash hot water cycle using Millsoft. And Millsoft brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. And then I throw everything into the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. So unfortunately, these socks pill, and they pill pretty bad. It's hard to see on the camera here, but that's very undesirable, and I sure hope the new socks don't do that, but they kind of look like they're going to, and that's pretty disappointing. Anyways, I have this sweater shaver and it works great. This one's a little bit spendier than the others, but what I like about it is it can be charged, and then I can take it to my dye table and I don't have to have a cord, or I don't have to, change the batteries, which that can become rather expensive. So I spend a little more up front, but I think it's worth it. So this went on for several minutes, but you want to do both socks, obviously. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our knit hat and our matching socks after they've been washed and dried and sweater shaved. And I want to point out, the hat did not do any pilling. I did not use the sweater shaver on it at all. So here's the side view of each side, and I think it turned out really pretty. I think Bella looks super cute wearing it, and it's a really cute style hat too. And here are the socks. Now, the one bad thing about this mannequin, her legs only have this position. I wish I could pose her straight up and down, but oh well. So what do you guys think of this matching set? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.